Hi traders, it's Anthony here. I did a video yesterday on this strategy, trading a 30-minute chart, and we had a 15 out of 15 win rate trading these signals. Now, if you haven't watched that video, have a look at it. You'll see it's the day trading ALGORAND video that I did yesterday. So this is the follow-up to that video. This is going to be the next step. Now, what we did cover just briefly was we have these breakout signals on the 30-minute chart, and we're looking to enter if the indicator down the bottom is agreeable with the signal. So we have 3 out of 5 green, and we get a green breakout. All right, we're looking for entry after this breakout. Now the question is, how do you know where or when to enter? It's okay to look back in hindsight and we can see on the chart. However, when you're in the moment and the market's doing what it's doing, how do you know where to enter? All right, so we have a way of giving us that opportunity. Now, here's the thing. We want these opportunities, we want these trades, and it's impossible to spend all day going through chart after chart. It's ridiculous, you know, you don't want to do that. You need to have an alert system set up. So what we've done is we've set that up. If you come over here to the alerts log, you'll see, in fact, what I will do, I've got the alerts log under, I'll drop that down and we'll have a look at the alerts. So I'm going to isolate the current symbol only. And you can see here that I've got the breakout alert on the 30-minute chart already set up. So when this fires, it'll go into the alerts log, and I'll have an opportunity to have a look, to come in and have a look at this. Now we know that the 30-minute time frame is going to give us some pretty nice opportunities. So how to get in after we receive the 30-minute signal? Well, it's a simple matter of going out of here into a 2-chart layout. This is our breakout, and we're looking for the signal to get us into the trade. All right, so if we go up here to a 3-minute chart, the breakout occurred here on the 30-minute, and we need a signal. Right, 3-minute chart. There's the range. Okay, so we traded up. There's the range. And again, you know, how do you know? How do you know where to enter? I mean, you know, in the moment, this is doing what it's doing, and we don't know if that's going to retrace further. Right? We don't know. So what we need is to be able to catch the rotation out. And this is exactly what we get. Okay, we get a bit of a pullback in here, and we've actually got 2 signals. One's this green dot giving us a pullback, but the one that I'm mainly interested in is that on the 3-minute chart, and this is our entry. It's a simple matter of, we know that we've got a breakout on the 30. We're looking for the first opportunity. So we go to the trend channel indicator, 3 dots on the 3-minute, and I want that alert. It's just the breakout once per bar. That's all I want. Breakout on the 3-minute, 3M, create, and there it is. Okay, so these are the 2 alerts. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, make sure you do, because I go through this 30-minute breakout and why it's so significant. 15 out of 15 win rate going back. So you want the opportunity, you want the system to bring you into the chart, and this breakout is telling you when this is rotating out of this pullback. And there's your opportunity, and I mean the outcome speaks for itself. So if we go back here, I mean, we can have a look at the last, was that a green one? Yep, okay, that's a green one. See, we've got the green break on the 30. We've got an agreeable indicator down here. We've got 3 out of 5 are green. So we want the opportunities, and we don't want to be having to sit back watching this. So let's say this fires, it brings us into the chart. We see, okay, we've got a breakout. I want an opportunity to get involved. 30-minute time frame, great. In the moment, as I mentioned before, I mean, is that the pullback? Or, you know, oh, it's getting away on me. Oh, hang on a minute. You know what I'm saying? So how do we know where to enter? This could continue down. You don't want to get caught out. And so here's the thing. Let's just draw. That's my 2 points of interest, or we've actually got this one as well. Let's just go back and have a look at this break here, and see what we got on the 3-minute chart. All right, this is our point of interest on the 30-minute. The signal fired here, it brings us into the chart, and we want an opportunity. So we're going to go for the first pullback. You see, we don't have the go-ahead. We don't have the go-ahead. We get the go-ahead right here. That's where we enter. And we're managing the trade on the 30-minute chart. So there's our entry. And if you're wanting to build a position, you've got another opportunity here, and then another opportunity here. Well, we're going to take the green breaks and always take 80% early. So we're in the money regardless. All right, so there's 3 opportunities to enter. And again, we're looking at 80% of our position early. So we reduce our risk and preserve our account. But let's go back out now and look at the opportunity here. We don't have to think about this. Okay, so there's 3 opportunities to buy when this is starting to rotate north. If you watched the video yesterday, our stop loss is going to go, I generally like about halfway through this cloud here, so that's my stop loss level. Market starts to move, stop loss follows it up, and away we go. Okay guys, so that's it. I'm doing videos on this strategy daily. It's a winner, and I invite you to jump on board. Click the links below, gain access to the indicators. There's a 7-day trial. You can check it out for free. You gain access to the Telegram group. If you decide this is for you, $19.95 a month after that. It's ridiculously inexpensive, I'll say. Why? Look, I'm a successful trader. I don't want to charge people a fortune. I want to share my success with others because I think there's a need for this. And I want to give it away with a little bit back. $19.95 a month will buy me a couple of cups of coffee and a cake. I'm happy with that. So you shot me a coffee and you can have access to my system with all the tutorials and everything. Share the link with others and retweet this or tweet it on your Twitter account. Let people know about this because this is absolutely brilliant. My Telegram channel, I just counted up the last 23 trade signals and we had a 23 out of 23 win rate. Guys, jump on board. Okay, with that, take care. See you in the next video.